Hey, how's it going, everyone? So I got some new parts to put on the bike. First, we got this TWM quick action gas cap from Manny at Moto Million. Alright, we're gonna start. First, you gotta unlock your gas cap, open it up. You got 4 bolts in here that you're gonna take off. But first, I'm gonna put some tape on this hole. Cover up this hole so I don't drop any bolts down in there. You don't have to do this, I just prefer to. Knowing my luck, I'd freaking drop them down in there. And the 4 bolts, 4mm. Alright, once you got those off, pull your gas cap out. Go ahead and remove this tape. I'm going to transfer the tape to down here, just to make sure nothing falls in here. Alright, so you got the stock gas cap. This is the piece you took off. What you're gonna do, put the oval nuts on the bottom, drop in one of these nuts in here, they kind of press in, and then you're gonna screw down. There you go. Now once you get them all on, you're gonna make sure this part that sticks out goes to the right side when you're looking at the bike. So I'm gonna remove my tape. You're gonna line up your holes. I'm gonna put my tape back on here so I don't drop nothing down in there. And you're gonna screw in the 4 screws that you just took out earlier. And make sure your breather hole is lined up the best you can. Put it loosely, each bolt kind of loose first. Then you go back in a star pattern, tighten them all down. Alright, once that's tight, you're going to take these back out. Alright, now you're going to just screw these all back down on your gas cap. Alright, there you have it. TWM quick release gas cap.